Akucacaci okuba urhulumente uza kusifumana phi na isixa semali ngange 10.4 billion randi uhlangula iSAA. Kodwa abanye abaphathiswa basazimisele ekuhlanguleni lenqwelo moya ngexa amaqela aphikisayo elikhaba ngawo mabini elinyathelo ingakumbi okuba le mali iza kuthathwa kwingxowa karhulumente.
The United Democratic Movement rejects any attempt by government to try and do another adjustments budget in order to provide funding for SAA. We have always maintained that SAA is a luxury and a vanity project that South Africa can do without, especially at this point in time where there are other pressing challenges.
The time has come to stop. We cannot be taking good money and spending it on an airline like South African Airways and other state-owned entities where there is very little or no hope that you can turn them around.
We have said all the time that the country is bankrupt. Where will this money come from to bail out the SAA again? We cannot afford to put money into a bottomless pit.
We are pleased to understand that the commercial banks are reticent to provide the bridging finance to keep SAA going until the medium-term budget policy budget adjustments are done. And so we would call on the banks to stand firm and not to make this money available.
Kule vekupheleyo kuvakele ukuba urhulumente usazimisele ufumana le 10.4 billion randi. Kodwa amaqela aphikisayo awagunqi athi asoze akuvumele uphinda kuhlengahlengiswe uhlahlo lwabiwo-mali ukuze kufumaneke le mali yohlangula iSAA. Ndimanelisi Dubase wendaba ze-SABC eParlamente eKapa.